To import products from a supplier to your outlet, you first need to add the item to your products. To add a product, click the Catalog button and open the drop-down menu. Click the Products button. To add a new product, click the Add Product button. Enter the name of the product. Click and drag the brand field to select the desired brand from the list. If you haven't already added the brand name of the item you're adding to your products list, you can add it in the same menu. To add a brand, click the More, three-dot icon button. Enter the brand name in the field. Click the Add Brand button. To select a brand you have just added, open the brand list and select the desired one. In the description field, enter the item description text. In the tags field you have the option to describe the product using keywords for easy filtering. To add a new tag, type the desired word in the field. Click to add the tag with the word you entered. The new tag you added will be added to the field. In this field, you can add an unlimited number of tags to better describe the item and make it easier to find later using the quick filter and tags. To remove an added tag, click the X button. Product categories use category levels to filter your sales and inventory reports. Click on the field to view and select a list of product categories. Select a category from the list if you have already added it. If you want to add a new category, click the More button, three-dot icon. Enter a category in the description field. Click the Add Category button. Pull down the list of categories and select the category you just added. To select an item's color, click the Color button, drop down the color list, and select the desired color. You can set an unlimited number of colors just like you can set tags. To add an item's material, pull down the materials list. If there is no material in your list that matches this item, click the More button, three dots, to add a new material to the list. Enter the name of the material in the description field and click the Add Material button. Select the material you just added from the list. The item you add to the stock keeping unit will be assigned a unique number automatically. If you wish, you can enter the number yourself. In the supplier field, there is a list of your suppliers. To view the list and select the desired one, scroll down the list. If your supplier is new and not on your list, add them by clicking the More button, three dots. It is not necessary to fill in all fields. Fill in as you wish. Enter the name of the supplier in the field. Enter the default markup in the field. If desired, enter information about the supplier in the description field. Enter the name of the employee of the supplying company in the field. Enter the last name of the employee of the supplying company in the field. Enter the name of the supplier company in the field. Type your email in the field. Enter a phone number in the field. Enter a mobile phone number in the field. If desired, add the supplier's website address. You can also add links to the supplier's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, former Twitter, X, and YouTube if you wish. Enter the supplier's address in the field. Enter the supplier's secondary address in the field if they have one. Enter the supplier's suburb name in the field, if they have one. Type a city in the field. Type zip code in the field. To select a state from the list, drop down the list or type the state name in the field to search for it using the quick filter. To select a country from the list, drop down the list or type the country name in the field to search for it using the quick filter. If the mailing address is different from the main address, uncheck the mailing address same as store address. Fill in the address fields as desired. To add a new supplier, click the Add Supplier button. Choose from your newly added list of suppliers. Enter the supplier code in the field if you have one. Enter the price of the item in the field, how much you pay the supplier. Enter the size of the stones in the field if the item has one. Enter the weight of the item in the field. Enter the size of the item in the field. Select a default sales tax from the list. Enter the retail price of the item in the field. After entering the selling price, the system will automatically calculate and fill in the markup and margin fields based on the supplier's price and the price you are selling the item for. Using the same principle, you can enter only the markup percentage. The system will automatically calculate the rest of the field. You can fill in only the margin field using the same method. If desired, enter wholesale price in the field. After entering the price, as in the previous case, the markup and margin percentages will be automatically calculated and entered into the fields. Enter the minimum quantity of this item in the field at which you will receive a warning that this item is running out of stock. To upload a photo of the item, click the Upload Photo button. Select the desired photo and click the Open button. You can add other photos to this item's album. If you want to delete an added photo, click the red Delete button. To add a product, click the Add Product button. Use the quick search filter to easily find an item in the product section. Use any criteria to search for an item, including its name, description text, or any tags you entered when adding the item. If you want to see the details of the added item, click on the eye icon. On the page that opens, you can see information about the item, including the item's history, which will record the full history of the item from the moment it was added, including orders from the supplier, sales, and returns. To close the window, click the X button. To make changes to the item details, click the Edit button. Make changes in the text field and click the Edit Product button to save. To delete an item, click the Delete button. Any item that is out of stock or not available from the supplier is marked in red.